Known as one of the largest terrestrial animals, elephants belong to the family Elephantidae and the order Proboscidea. They are divided into two main species, the African elephant Loxodonta africana and the Asian elephant Elephas maximus, each with distinct biological and habitat characteristics. The African elephant Loxodonta africana is a large mammal belonging to the family Elephantidae, primarily found in Africa. It is one of the largest elephant species today, characterized by the following features. They have large, elongated, robust bodies. They stand approximately 3.24 meters tall, 10 to 13 feet from shoulder to foot. Males are typically larger than females. The weight of African elephants ranges from 4,500 to 6,300 kilograms, 10,000 to 14,000 pounds. However, the largest males can weigh up to 7,000 kilograms, 15,400 pounds or more. They have rounded, robust bodies with very strong muscles. A notable feature is their thick, tough skin with folds and creases, which helps protect against thorns and weathering. The hair of African elephants is typically gray or brownish gray, sometimes with purple or blackish hues around the ears and on top of the trunk. The coloration can change due to dust, mud, and minerals. The most distinctive feature of elephants is their long, flexible trunk, which can twist and turn and is used for grasping, drinking, feeding, and communication. Both sexes have tusks, but tusks of large males are usually larger and longer than those of females. African elephants typically inhabit open forests, grasslands, and savannas in Africa, ranging from southern Sahara to southern Africa. They are herbivorous and tend to migrate seasonally in search of food. African elephants typically inhabit open forests, grasslands, and savannas in Africa, ranging from southern Sahara to southern Africa. They are herbivorous and tend to migrate seasonally in search of food. Their weight typically ranges from 2,000 to 5,500 kilograms, 4,400 to 12,100 pounds. Males are heavier than females. Asian elephants have large, robust bodies but are generally smaller than African elephants. They have thick, wrinkled skin that helps protect against thorns and weathering. Their skin color ranges from gray to light brown, often with spots and scars on their backs. Their weight typically ranges from 2,000 to 5,500 kilograms, 4,400 to 12,100 pounds. Males are heavier than females. Asian elephants have large, robust bodies but are generally smaller than African elephants. They have thick, wrinkled skin that helps protect against thorns and weathering. Their skin color ranges from gray to light brown, often with spots and scars on their backs. Their weight typically ranges from 2,000 to 5,500 kilograms, 4,400 to 12,100 pounds. Males are heavier than females. Asian elephants have large, robust bodies but are generally smaller than African elephants. They have thick, wrinkled skin that helps protect against thorns and weathering. Their skin color ranges from gray to light brown, often with spots and scars on their backs. Their weight typically ranges from 2,000 to 5,500 kilograms, 4,400 to 12,100 pounds. Males are heavier than females. Asian elephants have large, robust bodies but are generally smaller than African elephants. They have thick, wrinkled skin that helps protect against thorns and weathering. Their skin color ranges from gray to light brown, often with spots and scars on their backs. Their weight typically ranges from 2,000 to 5,500 kilograms, 4,400 to 12,100 pounds. Males are heavier than females. Asian elephants have large, robust bodies but are generally smaller than African elephants. They have thick, wrinkled skin that helps protect against thorns and weathering. Their skin color ranges from gray to light brown, often with spots and scars on their backs. The trunk is the extension of an elephant's upper lip, where it connects. It includes both tusks and is a crucial part of the elephant's unique design to support their trunk. Elephant ears are large and fan-shaped, located on either side of the head. They serve to protect and enhance the elephant's hearing capabilities. Additionally, they can move independently to aid in sound perception and body temperature regulation. Elephants have large eyes with good vision, allowing them clear visibility even in low light conditions. Their eyes are protected by eyebrows and eyelashes, shielding them from dust and environmental impacts. Legs. Elephants have 4 large and powerful legs, each with 5 toes, designed to support and move across various terrains, from open grasslands to dense forests. The back of an elephant is typically gray or brownish gray, often with stripes or varying shades depending on the species and habitat. The elephant's back skin is often wrinkled, which helps in heat dissipation and improves their breathability in hot climates. The elephant's tail is relatively short compared to its large body but plays a specific role in quick movements and communication in certain situations. Together, these parts form a robust and adaptable body structure for elephants, enabling them to thrive and evolve in diverse and often changing natural environments. Elephants live in organized herds, usually consisting of females and young offspring. A herd typically includes a large adult male bull elephant as a leader, though occasionally it can be an older female matriarch. Elephant herds vary in size from a few individuals to tens of individuals, depending on the species and living conditions. Elephants within herds often have strong social bonds, expressed through mutual care and communication via sounds, gestures, and their trunks. Elephants frequently show concern and share responsibilities within the herd, especially in assisting young calves or protecting weaker members. They often move in large herds in search of food. Females and young calves are usually protected and led by adult members of the herd. Moving and feeding together helps elephant herds optimize food-finding abilities and minimize risks from predators. Elephants use various communication methods to maintain and strengthen social relationships within the herd. Elephant trunk sounds are the primary means of communication, used to signal danger, summon herd members, or express emotions like joy or fear. Elephant herds cooperate to defend against predators or threats from outside. Members of the herd often collaborate to repel predators or to protect young calves. The herd behavior of elephants reflects a complex and effective social system, enhancing their survival and reproductive abilities in the wild. The organization and interaction within the herd are also crucial factors in helping elephants maintain biodiversity and sustainable development. Elephants are globally recognized cultural icons, often seen as symbols of strength, resilience, and wisdom. Elephants are often regarded as symbols of strength because they are the largest land animals and possess immense physical strength. The image of an elephant is frequently used to symbolize resilience and perseverance in life. Elephants are also known to be highly intelligent animals with a strong capacity for learning. They can remember many locations and have developed complex social skills to interact with each other. The intelligence of elephants is highly valued in many cultures.
In some religions and folklore, elephants play significant roles. For example, in India, elephants are considered symbols of luck and prosperity. In Hinduism and Buddhism, elephants can symbolize understanding and insight. Festivals and ceremonies related to elephants are common in cultures where elephants are important and revered animals. Are facing numerous serious threats, including poaching for ivory, skin, and bones, particularly in Africa and Asia, where illegal ivory trade poses a severe threat to their survival. Human-caused killings. Elephants are often hunted for tusks, skin, and bones. Especially in Africa and Asia, illegal hunting and trafficking in elephant products are major threats endangering their lives. Capturing and captivity. Many elephants are captured for captivity and used for entertainment or personal enjoyment, leading to distressing scenes of how these wild animals are treated. Climate change. Climate change can affect elephant habitats, altering their distribution and food sources. Animal conservation organizations have been and are actively working to protect and preserve elephants from these threats. Protecting natural habitats. Efforts are invested in protecting and restoring elephant natural habitats, including tropical forests, savannas, and scrubland areas. Combating illegal poaching and trafficking. This remains one of the biggest threats to elephants. Conservation organizations and governmental agencies collaborate to prevent and combat illegal poaching and trafficking in elephant products. Education and awareness raising, increasing community education, and creating widespread awareness about the importance of elephant conservation. This includes educating local populations about biodiversity and the economic benefits of protecting the environment. Elephant conservation requires close cooperation among nations, non-governmental organizations, and communities to ensure the continued existence of this impressive animal species in the future.